This video shows new features and bug fixes in Sinopia versions 3.3 and 3.4, now in our stage environment. The first thing you'll notice in the editor is that all fields are now expanded automatically to reduce the amount of clicking you need to do to enter data. And now that we have the left nav that we released last time, you have a quick overview of the whole record. The next new feature is a new style for lookups. The lookup is now a full window, which gives you more space for seeing the extended context and shows multiple authorities in separate tabs. The interaction is a little different than the previous lookups. You click the magnifying glass in a lookup field to start the lookup. Enter your search term. And then you can move among these tabs here to see the results from different authorities. If you don't find the entity you're looking for, notice there's a new button here called New Literal with your search term. If you want to add a literal, just click there. To choose another value in a repeatable field, click the magnifying glass again. And if you want to enter a URI instead of using a value from the authorities in the lookup, you can type or paste it here. And you'll see there that New Literal changed to New URI. And if you click that button, your URI will be entered as a value. Before going on to some other new features, I'll show you some bug fixes while we're here. First is for the diacritic chooser. You'll see it now appears below the field that you're in, and also the diacritic character that you enter will be entered at your cursor position rather than at the end of the string as happened before. In the left nav, you'll see some additional bug fixes. First is when a child gets a check mark, now the parents will also get a check mark. And next is that we've cleaned up the styling so it's easier to see which things have a check mark and longer field names are wrapping properly. Another new feature is the ability on the search tab to preview something without having to open it for editing or copy it using the eye icon. Also on the search tab, you'll notice that under filter by institution, we've increased the number of choices to 20 from 10. And your search term will now persist even when you go off to do something else. The editor, when you come back to search, your last search term will be there. Also, you notice a new tab called Dashboard. This is the beginning of adding personalization features to Sinopia. For now, we've added the first feature, which is to show you your most recently used templates, and this persists from one session to the next. We'll be adding additional features in coming work cycles. Finally, we've built a Sinopia API for other systems to request data. There's a separate video that shows that, so please take a look in our Sinopia demo playlist.